Hello everyone. Now I am going to tell you how to use attendance in the ERP module of My Concept Booster. So let's get into the video. So firstly, you will see the options student attendance, staff attendance, monthly calendar and attendance status. So basically for every attendance there will be a status in particular, right? So firstly we need to fill this attendance status. Get so let's see if there are anything in absent. So the attendance type would be student or staff, and the attendance status will be absent, informed, or something. Code will be any 3-digit code. So AIN absent, informed. Create it, and holiday would be for staff. What holiday would be like? Let's say this for student, optional, create, and present will be for student, attendance status is present, code will be PRT, create, something like this. You can create some more, anything, any holiday for staff will be like, what can I say? Personal holiday. Create. So once you create the exam status, you can now give the attendance for student or staff. So both will be similar, no change at all. Firstly, let's see for student. So click on this add or edit student attendance. You need to select for which date you're going to give the attendance and select the class, section for which you're going to give the attendance, and the academic year. Now it will give us the students in this class. By default it will give us one state like absent or present in first option that we have, and we can select it to present, and if he is absent you can mention this absent here. If you select absent and present, this will give us the duration then. So you can give the remark for the student like he's so if he is present, I think there is no need for remark. So if he is absent, you can mention here he has already informed or something. And then you can click on save attendance. So this will save for this particular date. So regarding this, you can see the attendance by month and attendance by date range, two different screens. So both of these are report screens basically. So if you want to see the attendance for this particular month, you can see October for two students. So at this particular day, you will see the present or absent information here. So this is how you see attendance by month, and by date range you will need to it will show us for the past 1 week or something. So for the rest, if you want to see, you can select this drop down for the search bar, and once you fill the detail it will give us the report for this. So in the similar way you can do it for staff attendance as well. Add or edit staff attendance, select the date, select the designation for which you are going to give the attendance, select the academic year, and it will give us the staff names. Select the type of attendance status, like as we did it from attendance status, present or absent something, click on save attendance. For the staff as well, you will be having attendance by month and by date range. The only extra option is the bulk import. You can download this sheet here and you can fill the details for the staff attendance. So monthly calendar will be giving so 2022 month will be November or something. So it will give us if there are any scheduled plans or something. So you can select on this ad screen, you will see, so you can select any public holidays or something with this screen. So this is how you use attendance in the ERP module. Thank you.